Hello class, I hope you all are good and fine at your places. Okay class, so in this class video I am telling you your unit first, planning in sports. Okay, so planning in sports, in this unit our total topic is specific sports programs. Okay, what is the topic name is specific sports program. Okay, so in specific sports program there are many sports program we are doing, so just like sports day, health run, run for fun, run for specific cause, and for unity. Okay, so these all programs we are organizing in specific sports program. There are many purpose for doing why we organizing this type of programs or events. I'm telling you one by one all the events or program. Okay, so let's start at the class. So there are some key points of this related to this topic. So first key point is specific sports program. So this is our topic name. Then second is sports day. Okay, produce of organizing sports day means how to producing the organizing sports day and what is the purpose of we are organizing this type of sports day. Then second is run for health, and fourth is run for fun. The last one is run for a specific cause for charity to cancer patients or physically disabled or disturbed persons for charity purpose. Okay class, so this is all the key points of your in these topics. So let's move next page. So class, our first point is specific sports program. So what is the specific sports program? So specific sports program are for specific cause like awareness, unity, or any social cause. Okay, health run are organized by health department, sports department, or social organization. Usually their purpose is to eliminate the standards of health in a country along with the rising fund for charities. Okay, so basically the specific program is related to your which are not usually related to competitions. It means the specific sports program is not a competition. It's basically a event or organizing program for charities. Okay, so these sports programs have various objectives. Creating awareness. Okay, so various objectives are creating awareness among people regarding unity, health, and disease. Okay, again I repeat this: creating the various objective of specific sports program is creating awareness among people regarding unity, health, and disease. Okay, like example AIDS, swine flu. Okay, and raising fund for charitable institution or organizations. Okay, so basically this type of program we conducting for raising funds for charity or charitable institution or organization के through. Okay, so basically it is a charitable function. So the fund will collected to this type institutions who will be organized this type of programs. So basically the organization will collecting the all funds or for charities. Okay, so program may be organized for promoting and maintaining cause of health among peoples. Okay, and the other purpose we are doing this type of program to organizations for promoting and maintaining the cause of health among people. It means awareness for the health for people to how how to take care of your body, how to take care of your health, and how to going to a physically fit. And okay, so this type of for awareness purpose we are doing the specific sports programs. Okay, so in specific sports program there are many events we are doing. Okay, so just like this example for sports day, health run, run for fun, run for a specific cause, and run for a unities. Okay, so these all are a specific sports program. Okay class, so this is the specific sports program. Okay class, and now I'm telling you what is the sports day, why we conducting the sports day, why we celebrating the sports day in your schools, in your national sports day or annual sports day we calling. Okay, so first of all, the sports day is a specific program. Okay, the sports day is basically is a specific program to providing funds for charities. We are doing for if you want to doing for charity, so you will organizing the sports day in your school or any other place. Okay, and the benefits of the sports day, why we conducting in our school or national sports day. So the benefits are basically the in the contemporary age, specific stress is laid down on the holistic development of a children in school. Okay, so basically the first benefits of organizing the sports day in your school is the holistic development of the children in schools. Okay, and emphasis is laid on other co-curriculum activities in addition to education. Okay, so sports day organized so that the all-round development of children could be attempted. Okay, if the children will attempting the sports event, so basically the automatically children's going to developing the all-round developments. Okay, so various sports activities in which physical and recreational activity are included are conducted on sports day. Okay, so there are many types of recreational or sports activity we organizing in sports day. So sports day is organized by each and every year, every school. So basically a specific day is fixed for conducting a sports day in a year. So on that day, ample opportunity are providing to every children to take a part in activities. Okay, so basically the next benefit to conducting the sports day is the every children will take a part to any sports or any game or any event. Okay, so in activities, so school authority also lays stress on maximum participation of children. Okay, so by participating in these activities, students develop the leadership qualities in them. Okay, and by participating in this type of activity, students will be developing the leadership quality. They're interested in such activity is enhanced activities that are conducting on sports day, providing ample opportunity for recreational to children. Okay, it means when we organizing the sports day, the children will be going to entertain and feeling relaxed and enjoying all the events. So basically we are calling this is recreational. Okay, so the health condition of children is also improved as they take a part such as activity. So and also the various social qualities such as honesty, brotherhood, friendship, cooperation, tolerance, unity, feeling of respects and group consistent are installed in children as they take a part in sports activities, okay, and such as some minor game and other recreational activities, okay. So the basically the sports activity or के थ्रू चिल्ड्रंस में काफ़ी टाइप्स के क्वालिटीज़ डेवलप होने जस्ट लाइक सोशल क्वालिटीज़ ऑनेस्टी ब्रदरहुड फ्रेंडशिप कोऑपरेशन टॉलरेंस यूनिटी रिस्पेक्ट और मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ डेवलपमेंट्स okay class. So this is the basically purpose of why we conducting or why we organizing the sports day in your school or any place. Okay, so if you want to organizing a sports day in your school or any place, so what we do? Okay, so I'm telling you first of all what we start doing to starting. Okay, so first of all a specific day should be fixed for organizing sports day. Okay, so first of all what we do to fix a date to organizing a sports day. Then the operated place should be also be selected as early as possible. It means first we selected the organizing date, then we selected to organizing place. A proper plan should be prepared for organizing the sports day. Then after we planning to how much, why and how to do all the program we conducting. Okay, after that administrative or organization committee should be consolidated. It means we are organizing the others committee for other works just like the first aid or reception committee, program committee, playground committees, or prize distribution committees. This type of committee will be conducting. To why we conducting this type of committee? Because the all work we going to complete it smoothly. Okay, smoothly and efficiently. Okay, the various committees such as decoration committee. Okay, the first committees we are conducting is decoration committee, playground committee, program committee, reception committee, refreshment committee, organizing sports day for the fully. Okay, so this the this is all the process to organizing a sports day in your schools or any place. Okay class. So class, our next specific program sports program is health run. Okay, so basically this is also is related to your specific sports program for charities fund or giving information to about your health and physical activities, this types of. Okay, so what is this health run? Health run organizing by health department, sports department, social organization with purpose to elevate the standard of health in a specific area, district, state or country, along with raising fund for charities. Okay, so basically the health runs are organizing by the health department or sports department or any or social organizations. So usually their purpose is elevate the standard of health in a country along with raising fund for charities. Okay, so health run is a great physical activity that offers significant health benefits and runs does not require any specific preparations. Okay, so for health runs the requirement is only a pair of suits and light cloth. There is no competition involved, but registration of participation is required in advance. The date and time are also fixed well in advance, and there is a no age limit to in health run, and the distance course of running is also fixed. But before participating in the health runs, everyone should be take a note for following suggestion make the running experience safe and efficiency. Okay, so there is a some following suggestion to give by organization to participants. So first, avoid tension. Make sure that your arms, shoulders, neck, and finger are relaxed. Hands should be uncleated. Okay, then second is your breathing should be rhythmic and deep. Exhale with control force when you pick up the pace. Don't, uh, don't don't let your breathing get shallow. And the third is don't bend your body from the hip level. The fourth is run softly and your striders should be normal. And the fifth is your arms should be swimming equally. And the sixth point is always conserve adequate amount of fluid before and after the run, especially in heat. The last one is consult a doctor as a precautionary measure if you are over 16 years old and do not exercise regularly. Okay, so basically these seven precautions we are looking for if you going to any health run or marathon race. So first the organizing committee look down this all the points. If you are physically fit, mentally prepared, or your internal organs work properly, and you have not any other disease. So if they are giving you clearance, so you will be participating in this type of events. Okay, class. So basically, the health run related to your giving a knowledge to your health and motivating others people to do some physical activities and care your health. Okay, class. So this is the basically purpose I will organizing a health run event. Okay, class. So class, our next specific program is run for fun. Okay, so basically run for fun is also organizing for the charity funds. Okay, so basically what is the run for fun? Okay, so run for fun run is a friendly race that involves either road running, cross country running with participants taking parts for their own enjoyments rather than competitions. Okay, basically the participants will taking a part for the enjoyment, not for the competitions. Okay, a fun run will be usually be held to raise a fund for a charity with sponsor provided to revenue to cover organizational costs. Fun runs can include not only categories such as wearing costumes and age category for child, teen, and mature. Okay, so basically this type of program will conducting for the all age categories, just like child, teen, and mature persons. Okay, so fun runs can be also including as a side event to a marathon or other serious race, just like a motorcycle, snowmobile, and other motorized vehicle event are also sometimes category as a fun runs. Okay, so run for fun is also organized with an objective to spread message. Okay, what is the basically purpose we are doing to spread a message for remaining healthy and fit among the masses. It may be organized to motivate people to exercise regularly and stay healthy. Okay, the second purpose to organizing this program is motivating to people to exercise regularly and stay healthy, and it is also organized in the same way as the health run. So run for fun is more related to having fun for euphoric during running. So in fact, run for fun is friendly race that involve either road running or cross country running, and in which people take a part their own enjoyment and recreational rather than competitions. Okay, so this is the all purpose of the run for fun. Okay, so generally run for fun is organized to raise up funds, as we know. So the sponsor only deduct the organization expenditures. Okay, so organizer will detecting only the how much money will they invest in the events. Only that amount will be they detecting, and the other amount will giving it for charities. So run for fun can include novelties such as wearing costume and defining age categories, child, teenager, and adults. Okay, class. So this is the race for fun, yeah, run for fun we are also calling. Okay, class. So this is the run for fun or race for fun. Okay, class. Okay, class. So now I'm telling you run for a specific cause and for unity. Okay, so first I'm telling you run for specific causes. Okay, so basically run for specific causes is the run is basically related to a good and novel causes, and it can also be organized for various category of participants. So there is a distance of run may vary for different category of participants. Means the distance running distance will be not a compulsory. So class, now I am telling you what is the run for specific causes and what is the run for unity. Okay, so first I am telling you what is the run for specific causes. Okay, so basically we are knowing this type of program we are organizing for the good and novel causes. Okay, and also it can be organized for a various category of participants, and this type of events, so the distance of run may vary for different category of participant. It means the running distance will be different for the categories of participants. It depends for categories. Means adults के लिए अलग, teens के लिए अलग, old ages के लिए अलग. Okay, so they are dividing a different running distance for categories of participation, and also the prize can be given to the position holders. Okay, so it means purpose to raise a fund for a specific cause, but the causes should be novel. So in fact we all run for different reasons. So different reason is generally to the have a healthy balanced life and stay fit to have a healthy balanced life. Most of the social non-profit organization organize marathon races or runs for various noble causes, such as for helping patients for cancer, mentally and physically challenged people, and people suffering for the AIDS, leukemia, and many types of disease. For intense, okay. So this is the purpose why we're doing the run for specific causes. So basically, the run for specific causes related to any causes, to any special causes, just like we are running for the charity, we are running for the unity, and we are running for the giving a knowledge or giving a any नॉलेज एंड कोई भी मतलब संदेश देने टाइप का कि लोगों को जागरूक करना उस चीज़ के बारे में, चीज़ के बताना, जस्ट लाइक डू नॉट ड्रिंकिंग, स्मोकिंग से दूर रहने के बारे में, एंड दिस टाइप्स ऑफ, ओके, किसी बीमारी के बारे में, किसी बीमारी के प्रति लोगों को जागरूक करने के लिए इस टाइप्स के कॉसेस के ऊपर रन फॉर इस टाइप के इवेंट्स किए जाते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू रन फॉर यूनिटीज. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ programs such as run for organized with a specific purpose is consolidated unity and peace among the people of different religions. Okay, so basically this type of events we organize for the unity among people of the different religion. Its purpose may be national and international integration and brotherhood. And in some countries, Run for Unity organized to celebrate their independence. It may be in the form of relay race for a long distance. Every participant run for some distance in the form of relay. They feel united. The run may be in the form of marathon race, usually organized in different metro cities. Okay, so this example we're taking in India. So in India, where we organizing this event type in Mumbai. So in Mumbai, a lot of people from the corporate world participating in this race, along with film stars and marathon runners for others country. The cash prize is given to the first 3 position holders, such as promote harmony, peace, and solidarity among people of different religions, and such as run bring a sense of togetherness among peoples. Okay class, so this is the basically the purpose of Run for Unity to for a brotherhood, peace in international level or national level, or any for any religions. Okay class, so class, I hope you all understand about the today's all the topics, just like this, what is the specific program, what is the Run for Fun, and why we conducting this type of organization, what is the benefit of this type of events, and organizing, how to organizing this type of event in sports day or any other day. Okay class, so class, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you class.